cars in the shop. This thing is sick. It's got those Alcantara inserts. I like it a lot. What year is it?
17.
Must be one of the last ones.
Maybe. Last one was white.
Last one. Well, dealerships still have new ones. I know that, but I don't know if they're 16s or 17s.
Yeah.
2017 SS. We're gonna make some guesses.
No, but everybody would be happy that you're filming again and not me.
I'm guessing 365.
365?
Yeah, isn't that what these make? Like,
I was gonna go 385, so that's mine.
Okay.
I'll go in the middle and go 370.
370?
I'm going 365. Right.
But I go 385, right?
Yeah, he's right in the middle-ish.
Win.
Huh?
Said you won.
Man. I didn't even know what trans is this, auto?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad I went lower then. Guesses on this one.
6, 3, 7.
Battery.
6, 7, 8? Yeah.
Not normal. Well, hey, buddy.
Well, hey, buddy.
Buddy, now you got a Hey Buddy shirt.
Yeah, I do.
What headers did you do?
4-inch cooks.
Dude, come on. Still, we're back to this already.
Hey, man.
We're back to this already. You can't give me straight answers anymore.
It got Cook's headers.
Cook's headers, inch and 7/8.
Yeah, I think so.
Cool. That fresh header smell. What's it picked up so far?
I think it just made like 400.
Really?
I think.
That's pretty good.
That's why I had to.
Think about it.
Yeah.
Headers on these usually do pick up a lot. Huh?
Yeah.
What do we do? Just headers intake or just headers?
Headers, bare ram, and chin.
Not bad, especially in an auto.
Yep. 421 and 425.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah, first pull I made was like 398. Then 411, then 420, and 421.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, and I let it cool for a bit. I made like 5 consecutive pulls on it.
And it's still going up. It's not bad.
I'd like to try and make another 5. I don't know if it'll happen, but we're about to find out.
on this one?
Just headers.
Just headers?
Yeah.
Already got married?
Yep. Just headers. What's the other one making?
Dude, really good power.
Really?
421.
Oh, Bill said 420. He thought 425.
Yeah, well, it
Or
did.
no, Bill said that's what he thought it would make. Right? He didn't think that's what
Dude, it's making insane power.
That's good.
Yeah.
Good pickup.
Seriously. From what, 358 to 421 from headers and intake? That's awesome.
Yeah. I'd say.
Good job.
Yeah. It's only a matter of time before I get my t-shirts made.
You need hats, the Anger Eric hats.
T-shirts.
You gonna do t-shirts first? Oh my god.
Down the road, we'll see. Bill and I were just talking about it. I wish you would have had that guy shout my name yesterday at the Motorama.
Well, I'm sorry, some of us.
I know
have
you
to
got him
work.
shouting after I hit the balloons.
Oh, absolutely. It's in the beginning of the episode. It's in the
Is
absolute.
the episode up yet?
It's literally uploading as we speak.
Cool.
So for those watching right now, we're talking about Monday's upload. If you haven't watched it already, check it out. Anger Eric went 7 for 7 on the darts.
Yeah, because I'm the real deal. Everybody should know that.
I can't handle it. What's that truck getting?
Headers.
Is it? Okay, just header.
Headers.
Everything's getting headers. Headers, all of the things. Don't forget your white hat tomorrow.
Dude, Wednesday.
Okay, don't forget your hat.
Yeah, I know we got to do it. I promised Shane would do it.
Yeah. It's a shame this weather's not gonna last.
Kind of like your employment.
So funny.
I thought it was good.
We've been banging out these header and tune jobs
3 or 4 this week.
the past 2 days. The SS.
Well, today's only Tuesday, so
Yeah, yesterday and today.
yesterday
It's
we
like
did.
both of these.
Yesterday we did the Chevy SS.
Right, same day.
Then yesterday and this morning he did this.
Yeah.
Now he's doing the truck. The truck and the SS are the same guy.
Can we baseline the truck or is it too
No, it's too big.
Okay.
Yeah, they're the same guy.
Okay.
So we're doing both of his, this, and then I think we had 2 C6Es drop off
That
our
we
head
baselined
cam.
this morning, yeah.
Yep,
It's a lot.
summer's coming.
Back to the hustle and bustle.
Yeah, someone is on vacation.
You were in California.
It don't matter with me.
Give me a hard time when you're out there freaking piddling around on a racetrack trying to learn how to drive around a corner.
Yeah, but when I come home, my work doesn't get skipped because it's still here waiting for me.
Oh, okay.
Yours gets missed.
Speaking of which,
You're not allowed to take off for the rest of the year.
okay.
Someone said in the YouTube comments that I give you guys off too much.
No, Eric's sick too much.
He said I give you off too much.
Who said that?
I don't
It's
know.
probably you.
Someone in the
So how was the thing in California, by the way? We haven't done a proper interview talk about it yet.
It was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was sick.
So you got to drive a GT3.
Yep.
Just
and a 911 turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice.
it was cool.
How did you like the Porsche experience?
It was sick. It was fun.
What did you drive?
GT3 RS and 911 turbo. Shit that I don't normally do.
Like turn?
Yeah. The kick plate was cool.
How about the embankment when you go into the turn?
I was not. He's like, get on the gas. I'm like, we're gonna crash. I mean, we were like.
No, I mean when you did the quarter mile.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
ring.
When we're on like the white
The
strips.
Nürburgring? That's because
Yeah.
you're scared to turn.
No, it was cool. It was different for sure.
Would you
I
do
wasn't.
it again?
Yeah, I would.
You gonna buy a Porsche?
Maybe.
Sell the ZR1?
No, that won't happen. That won't happen.
I'd go back and do it again.
So now you know how to go around a turn.
I wouldn't say that I know how
Okay,
now.
you're better at it now.
Probably not.
Oh,
Probably not.
you're more confident about around a turn now?
I mean, in a Porsche than my race car, yes.
Yeah, well, yeah.
My race car doesn't, it doesn't turn that great.
No. Dude, it's getting warmer out. We're gonna have to do this road course race.
It's been warm one day this year, Steve. And that was today.
Tomorrow's warm too. So.
And then it's going back to like 40.
Well, we should plan now. Well, we got the YouTube call out in April,
Yeah.
and then we should plan a road course event at New Jersey Motorsports Park.
Maybe.
No, there's no maybes.
I got a lot of shit to
We're
do.
gonna do another field trip like Motorama.
Field trip.
Yeah.
Who's going to be the chaperone?
Bill Chaperone.
It says it's 73 right now.
It's so nice.
75 tomorrow. Then
And then
49.
Rain for a week straight.
Then like mid 40s.
Well, we should still plan this road course.
Yeah, whatever.
You just don't want to lose.
This is my hat from Shane. I'm gonna wear it today.
From InShane Designs.
Yep, from InShane Designs. I'm gonna wear it today and see how clean I can keep it.
Is that the goal?
Yeah, that's definitely my goal.
Well, it's a white hat. I mean, it's gonna get dirty.
We'll see.
Although, it's not like you use your head for a lot of things.
I know. Well, like coolant or like something could drip on it, or oil. But it'll never be this white again. I can tell you that.
It's a nice hat.
It is. It's just white.
So I guess he ordered white hats and then was like, no one's gonna buy them because they're white or something.
I think that's what it was.
Okay. Girls like white hats.
Yeah, chicks like white hats. Chicks can keep them clean, but
Yeah.
me working on a C606, I'm not gonna keep it clean.
It's a little warm out today to wear it too, but
I told him I'd do it.
do it.
Gotta do it.
All right. Why do you sound like still?
Dude, I don't know. I've lost my voice. I think these fisherman's friends have been killing me, actually. You poisoned the ones you gave to me, I think. How's it look?
It looks pretty awesome. You look like a chick with a goatee.
Thanks. Tyler thinks it's funny.
So this is getting a heads cam, right?
Yep.
This is the one we just baselined in
480.
472 it made baseline.
Yeah.
Yep. And then the gray one's getting that one.
Same thing.
Same thing, but that one's getting a ported Mamo MSD.
Oh, yeah, that's
Mamo
right.
MSD. This one's, I think, just heads cam, stock intake.
He's already got a intake and headers on it, so.
Right. And Borla, which is super loud. And now it's going to be really loud.
Yep.
Oh, you know what we're going to do? So for next week's episode, we're going to do a Q&A. So like people can ask you questions. They can ask Bill, Tyler, me, Fran,
All right.
whatever. So put your questions in the comments and we will answer them next week.
Sounds good.
Like what do you drive, all that good stuff.
All right.
Sound good?
Sure.
Okay. Figured you'd be angry about it.
I'm not hungry. I'm happy.
No one likes happy Eric.
Yeah, no, I noticed that. Whoever put this exhaust on, he didn't do too good of a job.
Wow, what's wrong with it?
Well, for one, let me show you. Look at my light. These brackets should be pointed down more. Look what it's doing to that transcooler line.
Oh, it's so bright. I can't see. It's trying to like the side. Oh.
Yeah, it's starting to chafe a hole in the line. I mean, thank God I caught it now, but I'll fix it. But, I mean, over time, that's going to put a hole in the line, and that's not good.
No. No, it's not, Eric.
It was funny. I posted that picture of me drinking a beer last night, and Fran, like, freaked out at it, you see.
No.
I think he was just kidding, but I was like, what the f***, motherfucker? He's like, you've been coughing all week. He's like, if you try to call out tomorrow, I'm going to kick you.
He's got a good point.
Yeah, well, I had one beer. It was my first beer since the parade. What the hell is with all this? Look at all that. I almost just touched my head, I'm not gonna lie.
Touch it.
I've been itch and I don't want to.
See? That's what I said. It's going to be light touches you don't think about.
But I did think about it, so.
Well, that's because now you're conscious. See, you're trying to keep it clean. You should
That's the thing, dude. I'm trying to keep it clean.
You should, like, just not do anything and see how dirty it gets.
Nah, I don't want to do that.
That's what he said the goal was, right? The goal was to get it dirty. Not to
No, I don't think so. I think he said see how clean I can keep it.
Oh, all right. Whatever you say.
Or just to see how dirty it is after a day of work. Start up top here.
So on Mike's video about Motorama, he says he doesn't want to go next year.
I saw that.
We put on his page, on the video that next time just do Dyno Day at the shop.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to start trying to figure out Dyno Day dates.
I was at
I'm not here.
see, Dyno Day's gonna.
It'll have to be in like October or something though, because like there's so much stuff going on over the next few months. It's Cruise
I think we
Week,
should do it.
call out. I think October would be good.
Yeah, no.
Definitely not during the summer.
Definitely
'Cause,
not the first thing on my mind right now.
oh no.
What Dyno Day?
Yeah.
No, it's nice to plan ahead.
Should you have worn your beanie on like the warmest day of the year?
I know, we literally were just talking about that.
He's already sweating.
Because these bungs.
You're a bum.
I have the bungs welded in there and the O2's in. I'm waiting on the those here.
Cool.
Bill got catless pipes for it too.
Ah, good.
There you have it, everybody. We are going to do a Q&A on next Wednesday's episode. All you have to do is put your questions in the comments. There is a catch, though. You have to be subscribing. I think that's fair. It's free. It's easy. Show your support to the channel, subscribe, and then leave your question in the comments. We're going to try to answer as many as possible. Make them funny, make them interesting, and we'll answer them on next week's episode. As always, our merchandise on the website, raceprovenmotorsports.com. Hats, t-shirts, license plate frames, and of course, sweatshirts. We just got a whole bunch more in. Check them out, and we'll see you next week.